Did you know that small strategic changes to your credit habits in 2025 could save you thousands of dollars and open doors to better financial opportunities? It's true. Your credit score has more power than you think. It affects everything from the interest rates on your loans to whether you can rent your dream apartment or qualify for that credit card with amazing rewards. Today, I am going to share with you 5 powerful hacks to master your credit, boost your score, and start saving money immediately. These aren't complicated strategies. They're practical, proven steps anyone can take, no matter where you are starting. Over the years, I've seen people go from drowning in debt to securing their financial freedom by applying these simple techniques. So, let's dive into these credit hacks that will set you up for success in 2025. If you are like most people, your credit score might feel like a mystery. Do you ever feel like you are stuck in a cycle of high interest rates, denied applications, or limited financial options? It's frustrating, right? Many people don't realize how much their credit score affects their everyday life until it's too late. For example, think about this. 2 people buy the same car. One has excellent credit and gets a loan with a 3% interest rate. The other has poor credit and ends up with a 12% rate. Over time, the person with poor credit pays thousands of dollars more for the exact same car. That's money they could have saved or invested. But here is the thing. It's not your fault if no one ever taught you how credit works. The system is complicated, and most of us learn about it the hard way. Missed payments, high balances, and even small mistakes can feel like they're haunting you for years. The good news? You don't have to stay stuck. In 2025, you have more tools, resources, and opportunities than ever to take control of your credit. And that's exactly what we're going to do in this video. Let me show you how. Now that we've uncovered the challenges of poor credit, let's talk about the solutions. In today's content, I am going to share 5 simple yet powerful credit hacks that will help you take back control of your financial future. First, we'll decode your credit score, breaking down exactly what goes into it so you can spot the issues holding you back. Next, we'll explore how to turn your credit cards into tools for building wealth rather than a source of debt. You'll also learn the truth about the so-called perfect credit score and why you don't need to chase an 850 to unlock the best financial opportunities. But that's not all. I'll show you how to build credit the way wealthy people do and introduce fast fixes that can deliver noticeable improvements to your score in just weeks. These strategies are practical, proven, and designed for anyone, whether you are starting fresh or trying to repair years of credit mistakes. Now, let's move on to the first hack and start transforming your credit today. Hack number 1. Decode your credit score. Your credit score might seem like just a random number, but it's actually calculated using a very specific formula. By understanding how this works, you can take control and start improving your score right away. Here is the breakdown. 35% of your score is based on your payment history, whether you pay your bills on time. Another 30% is determined by your credit utilization, the percentage of your available credit that you are using. Smaller factors include the length of your credit history, the types of accounts you have, and how often you apply for new credit. The first step, check your credit report for errors. Believe it or not, mistakes happen all the time. Wrong account balances, missed payments that aren't yours, or even accounts you didn't open. You are entitled to a free credit report each year from the 3 major bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Review them carefully and dispute anything that's incorrect. Why does this matter? Fixing errors can boost your score almost immediately. One mistake could be costing you dozens of points, which means higher interest rates and lost opportunities. Start by visiting annualcreditreport.com. It's free, fast, and your first step toward mastering your credit. Hack number 2. Turn credit cards into allies. For many people, credit cards feel like a trap, but when used strategically, they can actually be one of the most powerful tools for building credit. Here is how. First, always pay your balance on time. This is the single most important factor in maintaining a healthy credit score. Setting up automatic payments or calendar reminders can help you avoid costly late fees. Second, keep your credit utilization below 30%. For example, if you have a credit limit of $10,000, try not to carry a balance of more than $3,000. Want to see even better results? Aim for 10% or lower. Finally, if you have older accounts, keep them open. Even if you are not using a card regularly, closing it could shorten your credit history, which could lower your score. The benefit? Using credit cards wisely not only boosts your score, but also positions you for higher limits and better rewards, giving you access to financial tools that can make your life easier. Hack number 3. The myth of the perfect credit score. Let's talk about the perfect credit score. Many people think they need an 850 to succeed financially, but that's not true. In reality, a score of 740 or above is often enough to qualify for the best interest rates and loan options. Chasing a perfect score can be stressful and unnecessary. Instead, focus on maintaining consistent habits like on-time payments and low balances that keep your score in the excellent range. The takeaway? Don't let the myth of perfection hold you back. A solid score is more than enough to unlock the financial opportunities you deserve. Hack number 4. Build credit like the wealthy. Have you ever wondered how wealthy people manage their credit? They understand the importance of diversification. A strong credit profile includes a mix of accounts, such as credit cards, installment loans, and even mortgages. One great strategy is becoming an authorized user on a trusted family member's credit card. If they have a strong credit history and low balances, this can give your score a significant boost without you needing to take on more debt. Another tip: space out new credit applications. Applying for too many accounts at once can signal a risk to lenders and temporarily lower your score. The benefit? These habits signal stability and responsibility, which lenders love, and they help you build a credit profile that opens doors to better opportunities. Hack number 5. Fast fixes for immediate results. Finally, let's talk about quick wins. If you're looking to boost your score fast, here are 3 proven strategies. Pay down small balances. If you have multiple credit cards with small amounts owed, focus on paying them off. Reducing your utilization on each card can add points to your score quickly. Change your payment schedule. Instead of paying your balance once a month, try making bi-weekly payments. This reduces your reported balance at the end of your billing cycle, which can lower your utilization ratio. Request a credit limit increase. If you are a responsible borrower, ask your card issuer to raise your limit. This reduces your utilization ratio without requiring you to spend less. Why is this important? These strategies can show results in as little as 30 days, giving you a quick boost while you work on long-term habits. By now, you've learned how simple changes to your credit habits can lead to big financial improvements. But let me remind you why this matters. Every step you take to improve your credit is a step toward financial freedom. Think about it. A better credit score means lower interest rates, which could save you thousands of dollars over time. That's money you could put toward your future, buying a home, investing, or building a safety net for your family. Every dollar saved is a dollar earned, and it all starts with the decisions you make today. It's important to remember that improving your credit is a journey, not a race. You don't have to fix everything overnight. What matters is consistency and taking action, even if it's just one small step at a time. Here is a quote I love. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. The same applies to your credit. No matter where you are starting, the effort you put in today will pay off in the long run. You have the power to change your financial story. And with these hacks, you are well on your way to building a credit score that unlocks the life you've always wanted. Now that you have the tools to master your credit, it's time to take action. Start by checking your credit report today and pick one hack from this video to implement immediately. Maybe it's disputing an error, paying down a small balance, or setting up automatic payments. Whatever it is, commit to taking that first step. If you found these tips helpful, don't keep them to yourself. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who could use a credit boost in 2025. I'd also love to hear from you. Which of these hacks are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Your success story could inspire someone else to start their journey. Remember, taking control of your credit isn't just about numbers. It's about creating freedom and opportunities for your future. As we wrap up, remember this. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Today, you've taken that step by learning how to master your credit. These simple hacks are more than just strategies. They're the building blocks of a brighter financial future. Your credit score doesn't define you, but it can unlock incredible opportunities if you take charge of it. The power is in your hands to make changes that will save you money, reduce stress, and open doors you may have thought were out of reach. Thank you for watching and investing in your future today. If you are ready to keep building your financial knowledge, don't forget to check out more videos on the channel. Together, we can make 2025 your best financial year yet. You've got this!